Audiences help you group together visits which meet a certain requirement. So these audiences can be used for your Google Ads campaigns like remarketing. So you can target those visits for your campaigns. So today I'm going to show you how to set up audiences for Universal Analytics and for GA4. So first I'm going to show you for Universal Analytics. So I have the Universal Analytics Google merchandise store here. So I'm just going to show you for this one. So first you need to see what you want to target, what type of audience you want to target. So what we can do for Universal Analytics is we can see the age group that is currently there. So to see the age group, we will go to demographics, then go to age. Okay. Now we are taking it for the date range of January 1st to February 28th. So we come down here and we see 25 to 34 has the highest revenue, which is around 47,000 plus. Then next is 18 to 24, which is 30,000. And then we have 35 to 44, which is 34,000. So we see that these two age groups have the highest revenue. So what we can do is we can set up an audience to for these two age groups, which is 25 to 34 and 35 to 44. So I'm going to show you how to set up the audiences in my Universal Analytics account. So if to set this up, first thing you need to go to admin, then come down to audience definitions, click on that and click on audiences. First, you need to accept all these, whichever are there. We'll enable remarketing. Next step. Then we will add the audience definition, whichever was the account we wanted for this one. Okay. Then we put enable. So once you put enable, they will allow you to set up the audiences. Okay. Back to audience page. Yeah. So now it has set up a default one, which is all users. So that means all users on the site are tracked. That's the date it was created, the date it was modified, and the open membership. Now, this membership is very important in terms of targeting different networks, because certain networks have certain minimum requirements, like maybe 100 users, 1000 users. So that I will tell you later. So first I will show you how to set up the audiences. You need to click on new audience. Okay, then what we wanted to target was we wanted to target the age group of 25 to 34 or 35 to 44. Okay, so we'll come here. So we'll create a new, we are creating a new one. These are the recommendations which they have, but we are creating a new audience. Click on create new. Then you have these different audiences which we can choose here. Demographic, which is your age, gender, language. Then you have technology, operating systems, browser, mobile devices. Then you have your behavior, like maybe sessions, how many sessions people visited, how many transactions people did. Then you have first session is between which two dates. Okay, this could be maybe if you're running some offers or something. Then we have traffic sources, your different campaigns, your mediums, sources, what keywords they used. Then you have conditions also here, and you can have sequences. Sequences could be a different steps that the user has done. Like maybe they visited your product list page, and then they after that then they visited your product page, and then they went to your add to cart page. So that audience also you can target. So at the moment I'm going to show you how to set up audiences for age. So it is very simple. We want 25 34 and 35 to 44. So you come here, 25 to 34, you tick on it, and you click on 35 to 44. Okay, and you click on apply. So once you've chosen the demographics, then you have the membership duration. You can choose duration however much you want. It can be 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Okay, whatever it is. Uh, that, yeah, so you can choose whichever one you want. Then once it's done, you click on apply. Once it's created, and you create your audience name. You can put maybe as age. put directly 25 to 44. So this is the age you're targeting, and maybe you can put even your membership duration for 90 days. Okay, so this is your audience name, so you will know exactly what you're targeting and what are your duration of your days. Click on next steps and you click on publish. Once you click on publish, then it will create your particular audience. So at the moment I do not have an audience destination like Google Ads and all. I have not linked Google Ads, so that's why it is currently not showing. Otherwise you will have an option here. You just click on it and then it will publish your audiences, and then your audiences will appear here. It will appear here. So then you will know when it was created, when it was modified, and what is the open membership, whether open or closed or what. Yeah. Okay, so now I will show you how to set up audiences on GA4. Okay, so first again here also you need to see what you want to track as an audience. Okay, so for this Google Merchandise Store GA4, maybe we can set up based on the maybe default channel. So let's go to user acquisition. Okay. Yeah, so we have user acquisition here. Okay, and these are the default channels. So let's see the total revenue for the month of January to February. So the total revenue highest one was for direct. So maybe we can set up the audiences for direct only. So to set up the audiences, I will show you in my account. First you need to go to admin, then you need to come down to audiences. Okay, then you need to click on new audience. Now here you have two options. One is you either go with the suggested audiences, which they have different templates like general, really recently active users, purchasers, non-purchasers. So say for example, if you want to go with recently active users, you can click on it and then they will give you an option of user engagement. However you want to set up, maybe you want to set up based on the medium or maybe based on the age, gender. You have a lot of options here. You can set this up. Okay, then once you add it, then you can add maybe your parameters. So say for example we want to set up for the age. So here also we will set up for the age demographic. It will be for the age. Then you can choose a condition which is one off. So say for example one off, then they give you the different ages 18 and 24. Click on apply. Then you also have an option for or. So similar how we done for universal analytics, you can do that here also, just that the layout is a bit different. One of 24. Yeah, so you can put age this or this. Okay, so we'll go back. Okay, so we wanted to create a custom audience. So click on create custom audience. Then we wanted to target default channel of direct. So you come back again here. We'll put on the top, search on top, type default. So default channel group. So this would be your session default channel group. Okay, click on it and you can add filter contains matches regular expression. So contains we want, then we want for direct. Okay, click on apply. So we want to target only direct. We don't want to target maybe organic or paid or any of the other ones. We want only direct. So we'll click on keep direct. Then we have a membership option here, either 30 days or maximum limit. So what I had said earlier was that the membership, they have different durations based on the different target networks. So say for example, if it's a Google Display Network, Google Display Network has a minimum of 100 active users within the last 30 days. And Google Search Network has a minimum of 1000 active users within the last 30 days. So then we also have maybe for YouTube I think has a minimum of 1000 active users within the last 30 days. Yeah, so these are the different user groups. So based on that, you would have to set up your membership duration. Okay, So once you are done, you will put the name of the audience, whatever you want. So we have put it as direct, and we put it as 30 days. So we can put, so how you name your audience is very important. So it becomes easy to identify what type of visitors you have created an audience for. So once it's done, you click on save. So now these audiences, whatever you create, can be easily pushed to Google Ads, and then you all can use this as remarketing campaigns to set up Google Ads for it. Yeah. So if you have any questions regarding setting up audiences on Universal Analytics or GA4, please let me know. Thank you.